Loading. Okay. Now, let's see. Time to build the mega blast furnace. So, how many of those is a Vulcan Draconium? It doesn't use the coils. Okay, wait, which glass? Oh no, that is not the glass I want to use. Oh. Okay, from now on, I may just use osmium glass. Let's see. Right. This glass is supposed to be number 4. Osmium glass is 6. Okay. 6. Let's also, okay, coils. Vulcan Draconium is 11. Right? Item point. Okay, that should do. Here. Okay, I think it needs the map. No. What is it out of? Oh, I think I'm out of heat proof. Yeah, I forgot to prepare those. Should be super fast. Alright. Okay, building. No, okay. First block complete. Use the no. I don't want pollution, so use map. Now, as soon as those, okay. What is going to be in the thumbnail? Here. Okay. Now, how to set all of the hatches? First of all, energy. So from the main thing here, I could use transformers too, but I like to be able to see how much energy is flowing through a building by looking at its main capacitor. Let's there. Now that means well, laser. Oh, I'm out of lasers. Shouldn't be too hard to craft. No. Okay, 10 of those. 10 of those, and I will have to limit the amps. So let's make a bunch of those. Alright, it's going to take a little bit, not too much. I don't know if I want to have a transformer. Like, I will probably try to get a transformer for the ABS too. Yeah, most likely I will have a transformer. Okay, this one is the main. Laser, okay, soon done. Okay, transformer. Where we build one? Now, I think I will think on how to place a transformer later on. Right now, it's too early. Probably I will have one, and when I will be removing all of those, I will have a single transformer down there, which will then split to 3 BFs and 3 ABS. Right now, I'm just going to directly connect the laser. Okay. It's a little bit of trinium. Okay, it shouldn't take too much. Meanwhile, I'm also making compact fusion reactor parts. Okay, I think I can almost craft controller. But I'm okay, I have half of those. I need more. There is 100 more here. I need more. Well, that is why I'm making Mega BF. The bottleneck is still going to be something else. Like precision assembler and component assembly line. Most likely going to be the two main bottlenecks. Why does it feel like those two are not working? This one is after those. But it's not doing progress. Okay, this one is working at UV. Yeah, it's slow. Okay, maybe I can get the compact reactor today. Maybe. It's a lot of LUV superconductors. And the component assembly line. Yeah, I should have got the UV component assembly line. LUV was not a good idea. But whatever I have it, I'm going to stick with it. Then, laser. Okay, I got the laser source and those. Okay. Here. Still working. Okay, actually. More appropriate place is like here. This is a better place. Alright. Paint here. Okay, for now, this laser will take a couple of times. In the future, I will have a transformer and I will. Now, here I should be aligned. Okay. Furnace. Does it also copy the color? I wonder if it also does color. No, still have to manually paint. Probably it's better. It will be problematic if you copy the colors. Okay. Here. Do I have the target laser? Nope. I need the target laser and I will screwdriver it into using less amps. Okay, this one is the source. Targets are still waiting for 3. This one is still doing progress. Quite nicely too. Okay. Source, come on, get me a target. Okay, this one is not processing. Okay, now it's getting the sensors. 40 for 10 means it needs 4 sensors for each one, if it is 40 for 10. So first 2 are crafting. Assembly line must be clogged. Okay, component is clogged. This one? How is this one not? Oh, also have to get a couple of meters. What's wrong with this one? It should be working. I'm going to let it restart. I'm going to give more time to the biolabs before checking. Probably, like, I don't recall the odds. Like, I needed to process this low recipe like 5,000 times if I don't go the other way. Which item do I throw in the meteor? I think I'm going to do one of those. I don't even know anymore what those do. Random meters. This one is the classical one. And then I don't know what this one will do, but it's going to be free extra stuff. Let's see. Oh, that one was more. Oh, this one is the fluoride. I could fit that third one probably. But whatever, I'm going to let it be those. Then laser. Okay, I got the targets. Let's see. magneton. Alright, I do not want this to work at full power. 1k. They even coded that you can use KI to mark you want the 1024 multiplier. Can I also do... oh, wait. Oh yeah, it was supposed to be that. 25%. Perfect. A really, really cool function they got to parse things. Okay, this one. Okay, I can do maintenance, but not really yet. Output. This time, now that the best thing about this one is that I have a lot of space. So I can even get the fluid output. I was voiding fluids in the other one. Here I can keep fluids. Here and here. Now regarding AHU. Here and here. I would like to do a test. Input pass. 1, 2, 3. But it's not easy to do it as I want to do. I would like to see what is the prioritization. But it's the computer. Let's see. Okay, now patch. Now stocking. This one is for the cheap fluids. Meanwhile, for the more expensive fluids, I will use those hatches. Should be like that. How many layers? Well, I have circuit 1, 11 low, 11 high. Okay, so that should do. Now, cables. This is going to be main AHU. How many channels is that going to be? Over here, main network. Oh, that is dirty. And that's why I don't like having a connector between cables. I can't really tell the count. It's not 22, it's 30. Yeah, if I look at the connector, I can see it's 30. So this connector can't handle it. This one could. Alright, I'm going to rewire things a little bit. Before bringing here another wireless, I'm going to do that. Right. Now this one will be 22 for real. So I'm gonna be up here. That. Good. Now let's see. I have a couple of things inside those hatches which I should manage. Like, I think I'm going to add a fourth hatch. For weird things. I will see soon. Now, first I have the 3 main things. I'm going to bull share mega BFs this time. Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Here, those are the 3 things. Cable. Let's see. I think I'm going to use the wireless. 2 and 3. And I will have to also paint everything properly. 1, 2, 3. Paint. So this network is green, not lime, but it's green. So this one is a circuit 1. I want it to be processed first, so I hope it's this place. This stuff here does not require any gas. theoretically. So there it is. Then next one, purple, is the medium cost stuff. So I think I should have channels here. It's only one. Okay, purple goes over there. Here, connect. Finally, red for the high resource intensive things. Red is here. All right. Oh, I forgot. So I have those three. This one will be purple. This one will be red. And I don't think I need the other. Okay, I could use silicon. I would like to also do those kinds of recipe here. Thing is that if I use the crafting input bus, best idea would be to have a fourth network, but it sounds even worse. For now, I'm just going to do that. Like so far for wafers, I'm using those for wafers. So far, those are never running, so I'm going to consider this good enough. Now, heat proof here. Here. And export. This one will be expensive gases, which with expensive gases, I mean stuff that I will be processing with the Xeon. Okay. This one will be using oxygen whenever it can. Energetic alloy and vibrant alloy are the only two that require hydrogen, as far as I remember. Then, whenever I have neon, it can use the neon. And if I run out of neon, it's going to use nitrogen. I'm thinking about having helium too here. Yeah, I think I'm out of neon. No, I think if I use nitrogen, helium here, I'm going to regret it. Okay, so like that, I think it should work fine. I forgot. I can't easily spot those buses. This one is 11. This one is 11. This one is 1. I'm afraid of turning it. I don't even have enough things inside it. If I turn this on this one, it's going to use too much power. I'm going to try to overclock. So, okay, first, main objective now is the compact fusion, so I'm going to work on that to test my new furnace. Coils are the main drawbacks, so 100 of those. Nice, I have everything. Go. Okay, soon this one will be overwhelmed by force. I'm waiting for those. Once those are getting overwhelmed, I will try turning on this one and see what it does. Also, I'm going to do the Okay, let's get the controller to go. Okay, that should really fill up my furnaces. Wait, what? Oh, they changed the looks of this thing. It has a different texture last time I checked it. I updated this morning the game. But why are those not? Okay, there is not. Okay, those two turn on when my battery goes above like 50 and something %. So I don't even have that much energy. Those are out of plasma. Let's see. Helium, plasma, I'm going to throw all of that inside here. This one is running on a machine, but this one is not powerful enough. Later on, like that blast furnace is going to use 4 times the power generation of this one, so I do need to speed up that one. I'm going to try to go in loose mode, but if I make this one run in loose mode, it's going to eat all of that in no time. But anyways, I'm going to try to turn this one on. Let's see. Okay, 3 seconds for a batch of Naquadria. I'm afraid of how inefficient it could be, but yeah, if I have energy to waste, this one really does a lot of things. So this one does 85 Naquadria per second. Those are making 1 per second. So it is 85 times faster, but it uses 100 millions instead of not even 1. So it's not even too inefficient. I mean, it's using like 150 times the power to make 80 times more. So it's only half efficient as volcanoes, which is basically the bonus of, like, by default, those use less than half the power of a blast furnace. Like volcanoes have an intrinsic buff, which is like plus 120% speed, which means those use less than half of the power. So there is that to consider. You can see in the graph here the jump. This is when the blast furnace was. No, it's way worse. It's way worse than 25. It's like more than 100. It's 85 per second. It's 85 more ingots. This one is 1 per second. But this one uses less than 1 million. This one uses more than 100. No, maybe you're not too far off. So it's 107 divided 85. I don't know what exactly I'm calculating here. It's the ratio of energy per ingot per second. This one is 1. So it's 0.8 divided 1 basically. So 0.8. It is how much energy it takes. So okay, you are not too far off. 1, 2, that's not how you should be doing. That's not how you do it, but it's 50% worse. This one is actually better than I thought. It's only 1.5 times worse. It should have been way worse. Okay, but yeah, you can see every time I turn on, look at my graph. So now I'm going to go full craze. Yeah, I think no, I think the big buff here is I'm considering the plus 120, but those also every 900k extra hit, those get a 5% power discount. So apparently that 5% stacking up multiple times is really doing a nice job. Wanna see how much hit? Yeah, this one is 1000. 11,800 kelvins. I choose that power because, yeah, that is exactly the heat required for melting this stuff. That EDF can do just that. Okay, now I'm going to try to make this one running. See? So there is one thing I wanted to look. Now I'm wondering, I want to see the power, what it does, because this XL plasma turbine here, I keep saying it, this one has an efficiency which basically the higher power is the turbine insert, the lower the efficiency. So you want the turbines to be small. If you use turbines too powerful, it will lose all of the efficiency. With ammunition plasma, it's just right for infinity. Those on loose mode become slightly more than infinity. I don't know if the efficiency is calculated on the normal or the loose mode when in loose mode. So I should expect a power output of around 8.5 multiplied by 16. So I should expect 136 millions once it speeds up. Let's see what happens. Okay, now it's in loose mode. Let's see if it reaches that. Oh, okay, now it's going to lose energy because I'm not inputting enough. The optimal flow now went to 2,800. 2,001 for and a little bit more. No, that's wrong. That is too much. That is too much. 2008. 2008. Is that it? Okay. Little bit more. 2810. Optimal is 2809. Okay. Let's see now what it does. Okay, 127 millions. Expected at ideally it should be 136. So it's still growing. Either it will reach this value or it means the nerf is applied to the loose mode. I mean, it's not too bad. The only issue is that not too bad, but the issue is that it's going to really eat this stuff. So this one is produced in an MK3. This one is produced at 144 every 3.2 seconds. 3.2 seconds. So I'm making 45 liters per second per fusion reactor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 20 reactors. So that stuff times 20. I'm producing 900 liters per tick. I'm burning 2000. So I'm burning it 3 times faster than I produce. Also, you can see the graph. Look at the power graph right now that I turn on that thing. And now let's turn on this one to use all of that energy. Oh, with cosmic neutronium, it's only using 58 millions. It's running, yeah, it's doing weird calculations. So 58 millions going there. The water line will probably turn on too soon, and that is how I'm going to use all of the energy. Okay, this one is only 16 millions. I would like to speed up this one. Is it better to a plasma turbine or plasma? Steam is better, but it's way more annoying to deal with. If you wanna do steam, you get way more energy out of steam, but it's way more annoying to set up. I'd rather spam those, at least for now. Thing is that you need too many heat exchangers, and you start losing water in the loop. You start having issues with everything. It's annoying. Setting up steam is annoying. Maybe I'll look into it again later, but I don't know. Also, this one is getting me a lot of americium. Look at that. If I want to get americium, nice. Now it uses the fluid. Okay, so other than power, this is making me huge amounts of americium, and now it's going to turn off due to power capacity reached soon at 1:10:13. Okay, 2 more energy levels and it will turn off the turbines. When redstone touches this one, the turbine is going to shut off. So to get more efficiency out of it, I will need more capacitors in there. Okay, now. Yeah, this stuff really has a lot of things to craft. Since I'm going to start using this one, I should now multiply all of the hot ingot patterns. But right now, if I multiply the hot ingot patterns right now, it's going to mess up all of the crafting CPU. So I'm going to wait for that. How is it doing such a multiplier? That is not... That's so weird. I didn't know I didn't know it could do those weird things. Yeah, that screwed it up. It lost the perfect multiplication due to batch mode. I think I'm not going to enable batch mode for now. It seems like it screws up the multiplications. I have just shown it. I'm using Americium plasma. I wonder if the parallel mode makes it use more power. Yeah, you can see the recipe changes. You can see the recipe change in the graph. Power graph. This one takes Americium plasma. It runs it through the turbine to make power. This one takes Americium plasma, runs it through the turbine, and it comes out as cold molten Americium. Takes it super hot. Like it expands the plasma inside the turbine and it lets out Americium plasma. Normal Americium. Takes Americium plasma, makes normal Americium. Okay, at that point, yeah, but this one also, there are some ingots being done by those two, so it's going to have always weird ratios. Okay, now 1000 ingots at once. Yeah, exactly. It's easier to set up, but you get less power out of it. Thing is that I got too much annoyed by doing Steam setups in the previous runs, so I'm just going to go with that. Now, I don't know if those vacuum freezers will be able to keep up. Probably want to move a couple of things here over there. Not a good moment. No. Yeah, no, cosmic neutronium is something I'm going to move. As soon as those there are 60 ingots inside this hatch, I'm going to move this one to the next tier. Come on, come on, take it, take it, take it, take it. How long does it? Oh, true, they start processing from the top. So first they process all of that, then this one, then this one. So it's going to take forever. Oh, I'm going to give the volcanoes a little bit longer. Or maybe I can dismantle. Yeah, maybe I should dismantle those. I don't know. Okay, now the plasma turbine should be shutting off. Otherwise, it's going to waste power. Okay, this one, shut it off. This one blink. If this one blinks, it loses power and it shuts off. Yeah, I think it's lost. Should still have enough. Oh, maybe. I think those things get reset every time I open the save. That could be a big issue. If I'm automating multi-blocks with those, it could be an issue when I restart the save. I'm not going to rejoin the save to see if it works. I'm not doing aqua fuel because I did it past season. I'm trying different things. Oh, here I forgot this. Okay, now it should be shutting off. Theoretically, at some point. Is it? Oh, I forgot. How the heck did I set this one up so poorly? This one was really set it up poorly. Okay, now it's losing power, but yeah, it will turn on again soon. It's going to turn on and off too often. That is a big deal. Oh, I know. This thing shuts off every time I... Yeah, every time I load... Okay, it's HU that loses. When it's HU is loading, this one loses the energy. So that is probably why they usually use the inverted condition. So I can fix that just by adding a not gate, not gate, nor works too. I done this one here. Americium plasma. 1 million and a not gate. Okay, by using that logic, when A2 shuts off, it's not going to lose the power. Come on. What is it doing? Oh, laser is clogged. It's going to have to wait a little bit. Why did this one lose the... Oh, and that is the other downside. This one shuts off. Every time it loses power. That is why I don't like those turbines. I don't know, maybe I will end up using this steam version too. Probably will also do this steam version later on. I don't know. Still thinking about it. Okay, that one should keep it enabled, but let's see. It used to cause lag, that cover. So let's see. Now I'm hovering at about 16. If I do that. Okay. Probably that issue got fixed. Doesn't really change. Perfect. They fixed that issue. Oh, wait, you can... Oh, okay, that really fixes it. Perfect. This one, okay, that's the fix. Okay, give me a moment. Alright, back. Soon this one will try to turn on again, but if it goes on and off that often, it could really void energy. I wanna see how much time it takes to speed up, because that is going to be how much fuel I'm going to. Also, I'm going to overclock more the water line, so when this one turns on, it should stay on more. This one, okay, four. Yeah, laser, super clogged. This one still melting up. Oh, this one, is it out of things to melt? Nice. It did manage to complete everything. No, it didn't. So I managed to use all of the neon, all of the nitrogen. And that is why I have two different sets of things. Yeah, I need more nitrogen production. It's the cheapest one to get. 140k. Those are running at LUV. Gas intake, not the issue. Giant output hatch. I'm going to store up more of these. I don't even have that. Okay. If I upgrade this tank, I will have a little bit more storage. This tank is still going to be smaller than the giant. Is it? Wait. Yeah, this. Oh no, this one is 500 million, so it's going to be 5 times the hatch. That's going to increase my gas capacity. Yeah. Next, I think I'm going to burn all of that right now, so that I will be out of it once I need it for. Okay, here you can see why I'm using two different gases, why I'm splitting ingots between two gases. I had like 100 millions. It was like 101 millions. I don't know how much it took to stock up that much, but it's going to be used up really quickly to process all of this. With Nor, Nor and Not work the same way. If you have disconnected input, it's not an issue. Yeah, I already used 10% of my Xeon. I got to stop it. I don't know how many more redstone circuits I'm going to make, so I really made too many patterns. But yeah, one more wouldn't hurt. Now the main issue is my laser. What is my laser doing? So there. Alright. This one, living crystals. Okay, it's doing those. Bottom left. Come on, I need that node to turn on my mega blast furnace. This one is for a UV. Could really use more energy. Yeah, alright, this one will be upgraded now. Because beamline takes too many of the weird things. Also, I don't think the beamline is going to be that much faster at Windows. It's not much faster than the laser at those things, I believe. We'll go look at it. Only the QPIC is a huge difference when you do it here. 3, 4. I don't have any superconductor. Let's use this one. Here. UHV. This one, this one. This one, and this one is UHV. Here. Because I built the beamline by looking at the spreadsheet. The same spreadsheet that made me build the thing is the same spreadsheet, which is telling me that it won't work nicely. But you know what? Since I'm still waiting anyways for things to work here, I'm going to grab that spreadsheet super quickly. Give me a quick moment here. Where is it? What was the beamline? This one. So let's see. Okay, this is my current beamline setup. Living crystal. Okay, it is going to be 33 times faster. It's not as good as the 3000 manuals of this one, but also that's going to eat a lot of supercoolant. And living crystal. Okay, it's green. I can do it. It's 30. Yeah, it should be this one, living crystal. Thing is that to do this one, I also need another one. It's not an easy machine to use. My laser is not much of a bottleneck, so you only need the power 2 of the furnaces. Wait, only power 2 of... This one's wrong. Wait. No, I didn't place the other for... It's only 2. Okay, living chips. Let's see. Living chips. If I wanted to do those with the beamline, I still need this one, which I'm lasering. This one is the raw advanced circuit. Okay, this should be what matters. Okay, it's always the same group of energy. Also I need this one. Oh no, this one won't work. I don't want to change the... Okay, this one does. Okay, this one. So I'm going to need this mask, this mask, and this mask. Alright. Also, pattern capacity. Some of those are overfilled. In all of that, my turbine is not working yet. Yeah, mainly I just started too many crafting. That's the real issue. If it touches 10%, I'm going to do something. No, wait, I can just... There, since I'm out of gas, I can let this one. Yeah, until I get to the space elevator, I can't really use that one. I can turn it on momentarily to get a boost, but I can't make it run constantly right now. Too many issues with it. Okay, now let's get all of those patterns. So, that's a lot of water. 75 usage. This one. This stuff did not even use water on the other line, so... Wait, grade 8? Huh? Okay, that is the answer. I'm going to keep making those inside the laser because I can't make those with this one. No, wait, can I? Okay, grade 7? Maybe I can. Okay, grade 6, I can. Okay, I can. I showed the... shows the other water. Okay, grade 6, I can do that. Okay. This one is living crystal ship. Wait. This one is... No, I don't. Blast furnace. And this one I should have it. Mask. Okay. I don't know if I can fit this one in the blast furnace. We don't have room. Okay, this one grade 6. Why now it shows first grade 6 and last grade 8? Whatever. Grade 6. Also, my laser doesn't really take the water. Nor this one. Okay. This one is that one. Crystal mask. Okay. And this one, once again, the water, whatever it finds, it will work. Okay, those are, I mix those up. Okay, first, this one is EBF with hydrogen. So, it shouldn't be an issue if I have a circuit inside it. I'm going to do this one here. Now, here I mixed up the lenses. So this one is white. Here. This one is lime. Lime here. This one. Blue. Here. Okay. Now. Okay, I guess you just joined. That is exactly what I did. Yeah, those buses are painted differently. There. You can see the color green, purple, red. Circuit 1. This one is low gas. This one is high gas. This one is the high gas. And here I have the low gas, which I have none of. Now, living crystal sip. I'm going to get one mask of each. Epoxy pulp, okay, that's easy. Maybe it's better if I make it with a plate. I don't think I ever use the epoxy ingot. That's going to be more like it. Macerator here. This stuff here. Oh, come on, how annoying. I do have a dehydrator. This one. Okay. This one, LCR. Okay. LCR 0. Here. Now. Live increase. Wow, no, what the heck is that? Okay, that's easy. I can use any lens, right? Yeah. White lens. Here, white lens. Here. Now, let's see if I can finally get 1, 2, and 3. Then, those work with okay, cerium, dot, lutetium, those things. Cerium, dot. Okay, make me some of those. I'm going to upgrade the autoclave. Don't worry, I keep saying and doing worse things. Like, yeah, I don't like getting interrupted too much, but it's okay. I only have to get more used to that. Probably doing the 100% live stream is a little bit of exaggerated. Yeah, next time I'll play something. I will do like half live stream and half of stream as I used to. Live streaming everything had a bunch of issues. I can only do everything live streamed on packs I really know, like GTNH too. Next season I'm going to try out new things. Next season, I mean next thing I'll do. This one. GTNH is going to be the pack for trying out new ways of editing or doing things. Like now I'm doing the everything live streamed. Here. Run. Okay. It should do those instantly. Come on. Good. Do I need a cest setup here? How much is it? Okay, that's a little bit. No, I shouldn't take too much to make all of those. Then this one is still waiting for stuff. It's mostly waiting for the component assembly. I'm not using UHV. Okay, do you want to wait for those to be crafted, or what exactly are you proposing? I don't know, maybe you didn't notice I was out of those. If I don't have those, I just use those. Yeah, exactly. I'm trying to stock keep those, but they keep going inside circuits. Until I restock, until I get 100 of those, all of my UHV superconductors are going there. Now, oh wait, I can craft the NOT gate now. NOR gate, whatever, it's the same. Like, if you have only if you insert this one inside a cable, there is no difference between NOR and NOT. The only thing is that this one has extra inputs, which if you do not connect, do nothing. The other one is the opposite. Anyway, this one should turn on the turbine. Now I want to see how much it takes for it to speed up. I'm not really counting time, but okay, this one seems way faster than the smaller ones. It's already outputting 1/4 of the power, so okay, I think it's fine if it turns on like more often. Alright, and when this one turns on, I'm going to turn on this one too, but I still have no nitrogen. I think all of my nitrogen is probably going into something like ammonia. Look at the energy graph. Now let's turn on. This one is going to go back again. No, it's going to stabilize until it's done. Okay, soon it will run out of gases. I could use a little bit more of this one, but I'm afraid until I get the space elevator, I'm afraid scared of running out of this. I should still. What? Okay, now it's running. Oh, everything is processed. Cool. Nothing left to cook. Also, I have nitrogen now. Cool. The thing I'm out of is neon. Okay, that's too weird. I should have neon. The netherite line. This one is produced by the netherite line. Something must be wrong with it. I have to check it. Then, over here, one tank. Okay, this one is still crafting. I will use it to increase the stocking of nitrogen. This one should be making neon. Why this one? Huh? Oh yeah, that is why it's not. Item. What items does this one produce? This thing. Is this even used? Yes, it is. Is that the only thing? Yeah, okay. Overflow. That thing is used for nothing else, right? Yeah, this one basically has no usage. I can overflow it. There. And here is the neon I was missing. There. Already got enough for the next batch. Look at the energy graph. Alright, I could add more parallels to the water line now. It's only using 15 millions. Let's see. This one can go to like 1000 now. I can just add a 0 everywhere basically, but I must make sure I have a good output hatch everywhere. This one, I'm going to add a 0 here. Wait, if the other one is 1000, this one must be like 800s. Let's see again. All of my gas is made by a bee, but the space elevator I think should be just better. Right now, like I could get more bees. Thing is that bees don't scale. Okay, does the mega apiary perfect overclock? Should check again. But I have so many things to do. Like I can only do one thing at a time. I try to do things I like the most in the way I like the most. Now, this one is 800 parallels. Tier 3 here should be fine with like 600s. Okay, someday I will do that. Right now, like if I manage to run DBF constantly, I'm going to run out of americium plasma. Also, why is this one not running? It doesn't have water chew? Grape chew. Is this one having some kind of issue? Here. Success chance. I think you can get this one to 100, I think. Wait, why current parallel only 10? This one may be out of. Okay, great one. I shouldn't multiply it that much. 400. Yeah, I can't make up the correct numbers. First, I will need it to work properly. Okay, so I didn't need 30 millions. It's likely too much. This one, let's do 350, that way there is leftover. Now 350 it loses 80% odds and also it loses 10% always. That means 350 multiplied 0.9 multiplied 0.8. So 252 is what I call the maximum. I need some room because I will also use the water too. So let's do 220. This one should always work out. So next one could do maximum 200, but I'm going to keep some water tree. Okay, probably I'm going to make too much water now. This one could really use too much energy. So here I did 100. Next one is going to be like 6. That's a 50. And finally this one 10. Okay, I don't like too much those values. Okay, I'm going to start again. Let's try again. 300. Done. It's always 300 times 0.9. 270. I want to keep some of it. So 250. I'm going to try to think about good parallels. This one is 250 times 0.9, but the other one has a 0.8. Yeah, but for each you should just try around. Wait, this one is... Why can't I type? Okay, 108, but I also want to keep some of it, so 150. Then again, multiply 0.9. No, now I am on 150, so this one can be 100. Perfect. 100 times it's 90, but I want to keep a lot of the previous water. So yeah, 50. I'm going to keep it like that. I will bump up those two when I get the next year. Okay. Where did all of my energy go? I think the plasma turbine shut off. This one is still... So it's waiting for my energy to go below this threshold. Okay, next, soon this one will shut off and the turbine will turn on. I think is that amerition? Yeah, I must be careful on how much amerition plasma I use. Meanwhile. Okay, this one is crafting, it's mostly circuit. Those masks, what are those waiting for? What are those waiting for? One of those two. This one? Mixer. Mixer is clogged up doing all sorts of tasks. Yeah, once this stuff is done, it will do. I could leave it to do the same recipe. Go. That was probably a big deal. And this one is small. Is this one? No, don't tell me this one. Oh no, this one is LUV. Okay. Gotcha. This one really needed that upgrade. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Here. Oh, come on, it's not going to finish. Okay, this one is the issue. And this one to get emptied. What? No, I need the deblocking mode. Hopefully it won't mix wrong things. What is this leftover oxygen? Why is there leftover oxygen? Is it leftover or not? No, it was not leftover. Alright, there. Now, can you get empty? Okay, finally. Yellow. Good. Here. Okay, you know what? There. Oh, now finally can work properly. The masks are not processing. This one, what's the issue? Laser, isn't it? No? Autoclave. Oh, this one is doing all of that stuff. Yeah, this stuff takes a little bit. I overcrafted it. Think I can postpone this one. I want to get the masks done. And it's doing other things. Yeah, this probably needs the stocking with the auto pull. It really does look too slow. Is it also doing? Okay, this one should be instantaneous. Come on, or no? Is it ever going to do my thing? Oh, okay, it did manage to complete this. Good. Here's stuff, how it can work. Come on, turn on, turn on, turn on. Perfect. Okay. Turbine just turn on, as you can see. Waterline, we start using more and more energies. Waterline turns on at 10, okay. This one. Working, perfect. You get this one is circuit. Yeah, even the quantum tanks needs LUV superconductors. This one will be processing. Okay, one mask. By the way, in all of that time, I think the laser already managed to complete all of the craftings. No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah. By the time I got those masks ready, the laser already completed all of its tasks. And the issue with the beamline is that it's going to require the what's the name of those? Yeah, I don't have this stuff for the beamline unless I got it from MK2. That is why I'm not using the beamline. The laser already completed everything. I don't need to turn on this one. And I don't have enough rods for it to run. Yeah, I don't have enough of those. I'm not going to waste this stuff right now. Then, what else is the real issue? Why is this one not doing any progress? Signum red alloy. This one is... What is this one waiting for? What's wrong with this recipe? Red alloy. It should be just redstone plus... that thing is called computation. Try again. Oh, redstone. Yeah, okay. It doesn't seem worth it. Like lantern. Let's check this one. How do you use this one? Okay, first I need nanites, which is not the best thing right now, but okay, this one should be the looping part. Then you work this one with this stuff, which you get from the crash lantern. So I still need the ore. Like this one all increases yield. It doesn't do much of a difference. I still have to get this one from meteors, and the yield is super low. I only get 63 from a meteor. Like the yield, it does increase the yield, but not worth it. Like all of that, I will have to go through all of that just to run this one for no reason at all, since my laser is not even running now. Like doesn't sound like a good idea for me. I will have to craft all of that stuff For what? For what reason? This one is not even running now. It was overwhelmed because I was crafting a quarter of compact fusion reactor at once. Right now it has nothing to do. Let's see the real issues. Fusion reactors, vacuum freezers, those two are more the issue. Now, those are not keeping up. I thought I was stock keeping some of this stuff, but it's not. Okay, those are not even working the helium. They are having issues with all of that. Okay, so I said I was going to move this one as soon as it gets cleaned up. So theoretically soon. Okay, now this one. I'm going to move this one to this one over there. This one has 4 times the power. Here. Now, if there is anything crafting cosmic neutronium, it got stuck. Wait, what? This one somehow lost this stuff. It's not in here anymore. Then, this one, does it have any issue? Can't be taking that much. Yeah, that's my issue. Conduit. Here. Yeah, those buffers are not working the way I hope to. Next season I will try something different. Unless it gets fixed. Okay. Then, what else is stuck? I will have to do that quest. It just doesn't seem worth it. Like when a chain starts to have too many multi-blocks, it starts to have too many potential issues. Stop telling me how to play or what to do, please. It's a game, I play it the way I want. Now, multi-neutronium, cosmic neutronium, both are crafting. What else could be stuck? This one. Now here is the americium. I don't know how it could have this left over, not the first time. There is something when I reboot the save that causes things to get stuck. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Thanks, I guess. But there are multiple reasons always things I do. This one. Let's just search the PM. This one again. Oh, maybe those were the ingots waiting. Stop it. Wonder what's wrong with those. Looks like it lost some ingot. Wait, my energy is doing some weird things. Yeah, my energy is fluctuating too much. Or was that? No, I think the huge drop was the water line turning on. I could be using millions of U per tick. Once my energy reaches the top, I pick again, I'm going to check on it. This one is doing cosmic neutron. Oh, 200? Yeah, I think the missing ingots are being processed here. Not even. Okay. Now I could start thinking about disconnecting the volcanoes. I don't know. Okay, this one is almost done. Does it start anything else afterwards? Okay, there is still a bunch of things queued up. Alright, next. I'm going to check the biowares, but not the biologic xenoxene, but not something in it. Okay, no data or main there yet. Wait. Where did all? Oh, here. Okay, this one here. This one, what is this one waiting? Oh, bacteria. Alright, if it doesn't work, I'm going to get the bacteria the other way. I wanted to get this one. So, let's start from Callisto Ice. Callisto Ice is MK2. Could do a meteor. Well, for what I need right now, it probably is enough. Is this one going into supercoolant? That is another thing the beamline eats into. Like, I want to have 100 millions of this stocked up before turning on the beamline. So this one, heavy duty T3. Heavy duty tier 3. You know what? Make 1000. Callisto Ice here. What else? Alright, I'm going to do it that way. Then. Oh, those are it's waiting for redstone. What? Am I still making compressed solar panels? No. Where the heck is all of my redstone? Let's check here. Okay, those are running non-stop. Okay, there is some redstone. Probably those are now getting overwhelmed. So, I'm going to remove a bunch of those. Iridium, osmium is one I want to keep using. Platinum probably not need a redstone. I'm always out. Tungsten, wait, not this one. This one, monazite, no. Chalcopyrite. Okay, I'm going to reduce a little bit what those are working. Look at all of that chalcopyrite, the redstone. Finally getting some of it, but it's not going to be enough. Okay, this one is still waiting for redstone. Wait, crafting? No, okay, crafting means simply it was started with the start even with missing items. Now it's waiting for the ore processing to produce this stuff. Still, it's weirdly slow. It should be going up faster, considering what those are processing. Okay, 19k. Unless it's the byproduct. I don't know. Okay, anyways, there is 20k redstone coming out soon. Then, okay, those are crafting. Oh. Drone. I need Callisto Ice. So, heavy duty. Does this one come with the filler? Yes. Filler chance is increased to almost 40%. Also get a bunch of other goodies. Yeah, it's weird the one at a time, but I don't have a redstone crafting pattern theoretically. Let me check. This one is a redstone alloy. Yeah. It looks like it's crafting it, but it's not. That is what when you start a recipe with missing ingredients, it behaves as if it is crafting those missing ingredients. That's how. Basically, if I can't start this one, I need Callisto Ice, but if I click here, it's going to start, and the missing Callisto Ice dust is going to behave as if it is crafting it. Okay, now heavy duty. Come on, get me the tier 3s. I did a bus, slightly too big of a batch. But the sampler should be doing those all at once. Is it doing superconductor? Oh, it's doing the superconductor. Here. I'm going to prepare room for the new meter. Okay. It's going to be annoying because it's going to have all of the stone. Wait, can I process this one? Oh, I get Callisto Ice just by... It's only MB and I get Callisto Ice just from Maserati. This one gives me even more. Alright, I'm going to process this one. One here. Oh, I already have 28k. That's already going to be a good boost. And then a centrifuge here. Alright, that should get me... Oh, it's only LUV, so it does 49 parallel. I could give it more energy, but... Okay, I'm going to get the Callisto Ice from the ore, and then slowly it's going to stock up. Okay, there are my heavy duty 3. Is there any way I can throw this one fast enough, close enough for it to be... No, the magnet is just too fast. Oh wait, I can... Okay, no longer have to throw away the to disable the magnet. I can just crouch. Okay, I was a little bit too close. Now, there. Let's clean up. That is all of the Callisto Ice I need. Where is the middle of that thing? Here. Right. Let's clean up. Everything good. Here. I don't mind wasting the heavy duty 3. There are many foods I haven't eaten, but this season I already did the all food thing, almost all food last season. I don't know. Well, maybe I could try to go for really all of the foods this season. Last season there were a couple of foods I didn't get because I didn't wanna do the forestry trees for like half hunger point 3. But this season I already have those done, so I could try to see which color the health bar can reach. Here. Don't remember if white is the highest or there is something. Don't remember how many. There are people on GTNH Discord who really did go far. Okay, let's clean up. This one. This one. Here. Okay. No idea how much Callisto Ice that is going to be, but most likely it's going to be all used for making super coolant for the beam line. I really need a lot of beam line, lot of coolant for the beam line. Keeps hitting it. Okay, here, there. Right here. Alright. One more and I think they should be enough. Oh, forgot. There. Okay. Next I will draw something else. Okay. This stuff is slowly doing progress. Cool. Okay, it's really doing a nice progress. Drone. Okay, I can start this one now. Good. Why is there so much pollution? Oh, okay, it's the thing here not reaching that area. Soon I will get the advanced for processing things, which are way better. Here. Letting this one, and then I will throw a new meter. Maybe I should try giving UHV. No, I'm afraid of TPS. I'm exaggerating, probably. But okay, even if I sped up the drilling rig, this is not a meteor I can collect with the drilling rig. because this stuff is not going to be collected. Wait. And I don't wanna go through all of the bother of doing thaumcraft things. This one, this one, this one. I think that is the last meteor I'm doing of this material. Then I will give it something to passively chug. I will probably do the nether one, which contains redstone. Super cheap and gets me a lot of redstone, which is an issue apparently lately. Here. Let's clean up everything. Okay. It's more efficient if I dig like that, probably. Okay. Yeah. That is also overwhelming the macerator, most likely. Right here, here, here. Was that sand? How did we get that? Okay. Okay, cleaning up the holes left from the drilling rig. Clean it up all nicely. Okay. No. Here, here. Was that redstone? Probably not. I have seen like one red ore. Probably was something like plutonium. Alright. Finally, I'm going to throw in the thing that does nether rock. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. Here. Okay. Alright, that one is going to give it a little bit of time to work on it. Good. Now I want to see the water line. How much energy is that one going to use? Right now it's using, okay, 75 millions. Perfect. This one is eating americium. Oh no. I already eat it used basically all of the americium I had already. I don't know how much it took me to get the 5 millions. I was at 5 millions, now I'm not only one. Let's see. Yeah, now I'm out of fuel for this thing. Those things, okay, those are holding the damage quite well. So it's working really nicely. Drone, data stick. Yeah, probably it's a good idea. I think I'd rather just let it shut off. I'm going to let it run a little bit, then I will shut off this one and nothing. Basically, I just want to shut off this one and let americium build up again. And whenever I really need it, and I'm going to turn on this one only when I really want it. But right now, I'm going to prepare many things. Like those should really do. Those should really use a lot of resources. Okay, it doesn't have this stuff, but it should be processing. Like getting heavy duty plates, usually, yeah, this stuff should take a lot of energy, so that is something I really want to get. But wait, where am I? Oh no, quantum is something I want to do in the other place. Wait. Quantum is here. Oh, okay, this one, I thought this was going to take like 50 millions. It's only 9. Alright, then I can process it with the low tier gases. Did I get the quantum tank? No. This one is still craft. Yeah, okay, it needs a UV superconductors, of So I'm preparing those for the next years towards this one. I'm going to stop it. Heavy duty. All of those are tier 3. I have way more tier 3. Like, those are recursively crafting, so having a lot of those low tiers stocked up is a really good idea. Now, let's see. Data sticks going there. With this one. So this one here, and this one is wasting energy. I forgot to shut off the computer last time. I don't even remember how much it uses. It should be okay. Now, run here, and this one is for the LUV one. Okay, this one will take a little bit to craft. Run. Okay, now quadria. Also, drill tip here, and I'm going to start it without callistones. Now, this one is crafting and all, but here I'm setting it up so that those data sticks are going to be available to every line, so I can easily move around patterns. But maybe I should have each cluster of assembly lines have its dedicated data sticks. I don't know. I don't know if it is better to have a main central data bank or each assembly line cluster have its data sticks, because like if I have the pattern here, only those will work with stuff. So I might as well keep the data stick just for those. I don't know what's the last option. Okay, then here, so this one, it's doing tier 1. Okay, then you can wait. Implosion compressor is either overwhelmed by all of those things or it crashed. It's working. Okay. Yeah, now it's overwhelmed because I did many things at once. Can it do? What's the block for more parallel? Valley block, neutron infinity. So it does 4 parallel if I have 27 infinity blocks. No, I don't. Like, I could recycle those, but no, I don't think it's not worth it. Like, I barely use this machine. It's only clogged now because I'm making thousands of plates. But it's working those quite quickly too. 1300. It's doing 1 per second. No, 20 per second, that's a lot. So it should be fine. Then, compact, it's making neutronium. So my fusion reactors, other than americium for the turbine, are also doing neutronium. This one now shut off. Oh, okay, I ran out of the allotted amount of americium. Now it's shut off. Until I press this button, it won't work because it ran out of the allotted amount of americium. Yeah, at least, yeah. So it won't turn on until I have more americium stocked up. And I'm probably going to shut off this one too soon. Oh, okay, perfect. Perfect timing. There. Now it's going to keep using the volcanoes. But it doesn't even have anything. Okay, the battery graph. Okay, now that I shut off this one, the energy should stabilize. Also, just remember, this one doesn't work if I don't have much energy. 1008, yeah, okay. 1008 didn't make any sense because basically this one would turn on. This one will turn on too late. Like if this one turn on only at power 8 and the turbine turn on at power 7, basically this one, no wait, maybe it was better. If I'm at like power 7, the turbine won't turn on, neither this one, so I'm not generating power and not using it. If I keep this one redstone level below the turbine, it should ensure the turbine turns on. Okay. This one is working. And this one is super low. Okay, so let's see. There are 100 of those crafting. Oh, wait. 100 means I get to 500. So I only need 60 more of those. And I can make the thing. And I can craft those too. Come on. 60. Okay. Basically, I think I have everything set it up for the compact. Oh, I need a bunch more of those. Okay. When this stuff completes, I should be able to get the compact. Okay. Then this one is working. Come on. Okay. Where will I be building the compact? I was thinking about here, but I could also do a ring. Yeah, I think I will do the compact fusion ring like above here. Like above here, I could have the fusion reactor. Either above or below. Or maybe I just do a tower in there. Nah, maybe I just do a ring here. I could also do the space elevator in the middle. But I think I won't. Now I'm going to do... Oh, this one gets here. So 3 chunks here for the fusion reactor tower. So 3 chunks here, fusion MK3. I don't know if fusion MK4 and MK5 will go on top or on a new tower. I should decide because the space elevator is right after. Which one? Like, do I make the fusion here so that here I have space now? This one has something crossing the boundary, so don't wanna bother. Here fusion, here space elevator most likely, yeah. Let's claim a little bit more. Here. And then this one. And crit. I should use the matter manipulator. Let's see. This one. Geometry. Shape. No, wait. Set blocks. Set all. Control C, Control V is faster. Now, can I just... Oh, I have 16,000. Okay, that is 8,000 blocks. Oh, there I'm out of the... Okay, here. This one is the last claimed chunk. Okay, go. Okay. Good. Proceed. Let's reset. F9, F9, F9. Then I'm going to prepare more of those, just in case. Here. There. There. Okay. Then. This one is now clogging up everything again, but it's okay. This will take forever. LUV. Making all of those bumps at that speed will take time. And once I complete this task, I'm really going to stock up those. Yeah, you know what? I want to make those non-stop then, after that task is done. Oh, the drone should be ready. Cool. Let's research the next one. Oh. Drone. ZPM here, and I'm also going to prepare the UV here. That is where I'm going to stop. The two drills. This one and this one here. This one. This one. How much does didn't, okay, it's not even too nasty. This one could be more of a deal, but it's not even too much. Okay. Not too nasty. Now, ZPM, go. Here. There. Finally, soon I will get the one. Hopefully, I will get this one by today, but I don't know. This one at least, it doesn't require superconductor. Oh, it doesn't require circuits. So it's going to take time. Am I passively making circuits at least? Yeah, but I do get why it's not. Yeah, many things. Crafting as usual. Next. Component assembly really seems to be a bottleneck, but I'm already doing space mining. I'm just preparing for when I will get the MK3. Not today. I'm just preparing stuff right now. I don't know if I will get the MK2 module. I'm thinking about getting MK2, but most of the interesting stuff, like I'm going to skip to MK3. Not the best idea. I could have got the MK2. Okay. Meanwhile, I will those once I upgrade my how it's called component assembly. There are many things I'm doing wrong. Many. This one another day. Oh, this is something I wanna get. I wanna get this one. This one. What can this one do interesting? Yes, I'm doing 100% of the quest book. So this is the main recipe I would like to get from this machine. I don't know how worth it is compared to the other way. At least it's no longer infusion. This one, I don't really need anything else right now. So it could be an idea. It's not something I need right away. I could work towards it, but a block of ecorium. Well, I'm going to prepare the ecorium. Oh, this one has issues. Did I void ecorium? No, it's craft. Oh, okay, it's normal, it's slow. This one, I build it poorly. It doesn't speed up if it doesn't have anything. Keep it up, but it's okay. Like, it goes quickly. When I need something, it goes quickly. It's only when I choose slow, it does. I really like how I managed to set it up this time. I have those. The first 10 CPUs are manually managed by me. Only I can turn on those, and they do the things I need. And lower HU can do whatever it wants there. It's not that much better. It is a better recipe, but like those are all I can spam. Those ingredients are things I can spam. Nothing here is really that important. I can waste those ingredients, so I don't mind. Like this recipe here is mostly to avoid the issues due to infusion. Like infusion is slow and can cause lag, I suppose. Like if I need millions of this material, doing millions of blocks like that is not going to be an option. Right now it's still too early for it. Okay, here's this one. I can word accelerate it. Okay, that was quick. Cool. This one is required for the nether, right? It's required for this one, which is required for many things like fusion reactors. Add your circuit. I don't fully understand the question. I'm trying to level maintain circuits, but if I craft those things, it can keep up. And I should really started to think about getting the UV component assembly line now. Like, is it still too late for the UV component? Yeah, next time UV component is something I have to get. The LUV component assembly line was really a bad choice. UV1 is way better. Like, I'm trying to skip tiers, but yeah, just UV component assembly line is something you wanna get. I should have skipped this one. I'm trying to skip to that one, but oh no, don't tell me. Okay, that one is only epoch. Oh, that is going to be a lot of infinity. Did I already scan up to... Oh, okay, those are all low tiers. So... First I'm going to need one... Oh, I don't have... Okay... I'm skipping UV and UHV. Yeah, maybe I'm still in time for the UHV component. Thing is that, what do I even use the UHV components for right now? Like, okay, let's check this one. Like, this one is mostly infinity. This one is a lot of infinity. This one is only infinity almost. This one is only infinity and cosmic. So, yeah, I should have got this RPM. I didn't expect that this one to be that slow. I didn't expect this one to be that slow. It was super cheap, but not worth it. Like, yeah, I should have done. Yeah, I don't have enough infinity catalyst. That is a big deal. You won't get enough for it. Wait, the DTPF? 53,000 infinity, yeah, true. Maybe I should get the UHV one. DTPF is UEV. I'm getting close to it. DTPF, okay. So, UHV component assembly. Or UEV. Maybe I'll try to get the UHV version. Yeah, right now UV now is too late. I'm going to look into... I think right now I think I'm still well set for the UHV one. Yeah, but okay, I was planning on getting this one before the DTPF. Like, I was going to rush this one. Like, I wanted to skip the like, I would like to rush this one. Like, what's what can prevent me from rushing this one? Like, if like my idea was that I'm going to get like 2 or 3 UV machines, and then I wanted to just quickly rush this one. The only thing, mostly it's all of the infinity now. The main issue, I think, is the infinity catalyst. Infinity catalyst, this one. Meteors won't, no way I'll get this one with meteors. So, MK2. MK2 modules can get me that. Okay, I wanted to get this one for the infinity catalyst so I could rush this one. That was my plan. I don't know how feasible it is. Like, just MK2 can get me this stuff. But, oh, MK3 is expensive. Oh. I wanted to rush this one, but that one is a lot of UV parts. Cosmic neutronism shouldn't be much of a big deal, is it? 87. How am I getting this one? Okay, I'm starting to more and more want to get the MK2. Yeah, I'm going to get the MK2 most likely. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get the MK2 upgrade. Oh, MK3 motors? Okay, thanks. Yeah, skipping in GTNH is never a good idea, I guess. I try to skip too many things. Now, do I still... You know what? I'm going to get the UHV component assembly line. I will get this. Okay, LUV parts are just too slow. I'm going to throw those, not away, but those are just too slow. I didn't think those were going to be that slow. I'm going to get this one UHV. When I will be getting the UAV, I'm going to keep both the UHV and the UAV. So UHV will prioritize low tier recipes up to UHV, and everything else which will be slow will go into the next one, UV. That is most likely what I want. Now, let's see. Yeah, UHV component assembly. First, I have to get the UV one so it can be scanned. Oh, I can craft it. Good. Okay, let's get this one so I can scan it. This one, at that point, I'm going to pause this project. It was basically complete. Now, okay, I'm going to complete this one. Since my objective was the UV one, I'm going to complete the SP one, I scan it, and then this one I need one UV so I can get the scan for the UHV, and then I will start working on the UHV. I can't go to T9. Which motors do I need for... Which motor? Which motors do I need for T9 planets? I don't remember. Right now, I think I can't even go to T8. I'm not too sure. So, this one is going to be done soon. Okay, MK3. Yeah, MK2 is a tier 8 planet. MK3 should be tier 9. Is there a quest for those? Oh, yeah. MK2s are not a quest. MK3 motors are a quest. MK4 to MK5. MK3 and 4. Okay. I will use the MK1 for the space assembler that does pumping or assembling. Yeah, I can recycle those quite nicely. Now, what's the objective here? This one? How much neutronium am I crafting? How is this one not getting neutronium? Where is the neutronium? Okay. I'm producing neutronium. This one should be getting crafted. I don't see it going anywhere. Okay, maybe here. How? What? Okay, this one is already stored, so it's not an issue. Maybe it's completing the batch into something else. Okay. At some point, okay, there it is. Probably it was completing some hidden thing in there. Some of those were hidden because, like, I think, I'm not sure, I have an hypothesis, like, this one is crafting 9639. Maybe maybe it only needs a little bit less. Once it's almost complete, it disappears. Once it's complete, it disappears, but it still stays hidden crafting. Maybe. It's just an idea. What do you mean with the cutoff point? Okay, this one soon will be crafted. Then. Okay, this one is now doing neutronium. How many reactors do I have on neutronium? Helium, 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 helium. They are all doing helium plasma. Tritanium, helium, neutronium. Basically, they are, except two sets, they are all doing helium plasma. Which I do need, by the way. No, not too much, but okay, it's going up at least. Yeah, I'm making a lot of helium plasma at least. Okay, this one is almost done. Cool. This one is slowly doing progress. This one slowly. Okay. Let's see in the clean room if I got some luck. Still nope. Wait, why is this one not? I need more cells into this loop. Oh, this one is no longer working. Oh, okay. Unknown fluid. Quick trip to recover unknown fluid. But most likely, when I will really need that thing, I'm going to get it the correct way. I want to see if I can get the data orb with the super slow inefficient way, but most likely we'll have to set up a bet for that thing to get the bacteria for the just for getting the data orb, which I can then multiply with the scanner if I have to. I don't know why I'm so much against getting one more bacterial vat. Basically, this morning I did. I set it up the automation for getting xenoxene bacteria. I need a data orb. Once I get it, I never need to craft it, but to get it, there are two ways. One which requires a lot of processing from fluid from here, one which requires me to set up a bacterial vat. Instead of setting up the bacterial vat, I'm just doing the worst possible way. I'm doing it in the worst possible way, actually. Okay. Over here. Here. Perfectly jumped in. Thing here. This has a huge capacity. Alright, now it can work for a long time. Oh, okay, 65 millions was filled up. I'm going to also throw in this. If that is not enough, I most likely will... you know what? What happened? I didn't click. I don't know if... Okay, I should not be editing those things while I'm teleporting. I don't know what could happen. Like maybe I will have a hole in my base. Like if I edit this one while moving, it already causes issues. So I must be super careful not to touch this thing while moving or teleporting or anything. Now, just for safety, I'm checking if there is a random hole somewhere. Yeah, probably in the overworld, but I don't know. Because the issue I have with this one is that if while I'm running, I try to claim, I press. Okay, this time. Yeah. Sometimes he like lags and it claims a different area. Don't know what happens if I do that while teleporting. Okay, did I get the drone ZPM? Nope. How slow is that one? Neutronium. I have a little bit. Don't know why I have this left over. I'm going to melt those just for request. Over here. Okay, this one should complete the quest. Good. The quest, not the quest, the thing here. Good. This one also needs a lot of neutronium. Okay. Is it out of assembly lines? Why is none of those working? What's wrong? What? 10 hours ago? Never. Oh, okay. Now I remember. Oh, I have superconductors this time. Yeah, a long time ago I was trying to get... Okay, I did get all of the dynamos. So now I can turn on this one after 10 hours. There. Okay. This one soon theoretically should craft. What else is it crafting? It wants to craft something else. Oh, wait, that one is 8. Good. One here, here, and that one is the UV mining drone, which I shouldn't have. This one here, here, yeah. Okay. Data stick. And this one. I want to sort those out. Wait, I really did. Do I have no more of those? Not this one. This one. You can no longer share those with the same miners. So you can no longer share a single drone between 2 miners. So I'm going to craft more of those in the future, probably. I'm keeping all of those. This one is crafting. For sure I don't have americium plasma. This one is neutronium. Okay. Now, well, I just got to the unknown fluid, so I'm going to let those run a little bit longer. Or maybe not. This is too much inefficient. So, okay, I will override those. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to get this xenoxene thing the good way. Don't know why I'm doing it the worst possible way. So, Control C. Here. Control V. There. Hopefully we'll remember that this one is the one doing the useless recipe. How does the linking work? Oh, it seems like it doesn't link if it is not a hub. I don't know what it could be looking for. Okay, is it done? I think it's done. Oh, it needs tanks. A bunch of those. This one is a super tank 3. Like, this one is going to be useless later on. Okay. This one, not this one. I need this one. Maybe going to work a lot, to wait a lot. I can give a quick heat up here. Maybe it does what I need, maybe not. Wait, I can stop this one. Okay, I think it already did. No. Still waiting for steel. How much does it take to complete our... Oh, that was quick. So did the steel. Add steel now. Done. Okay, it already did what I needed. Look at the energy graph. This will never be done. Alright, I'm going to use a different tank for this setup. I don't even need the huge tank here. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Tank here. Then if those, I'm going to prepare a bunch more of... I don't have CPUs. Okay, here. Wireless connector. There's one over here. Here. Okay. An interface. I did wish it copied interface settings. Alright, it's just a bunch of sugar. Here. Am I out of sugar? Yes. 1, 2, 3. And I don't have space. Okay. Let's copy the program and then I'm going to edit it. So this one is going to make Barnarda, whatever. This one 27 should be for peak efficiency. Barnarda here, condition here. Barnarda. Fill it up. Okay. Then please camouflage. Okay. Swede. We are going to call it Swede. Those are all LUV with the worst possible hatch layout. Oh no, I need to move those around. Okay, good. LUV, of course, I don't have superconductors. That's why I'm keeping some 4x LUV superconductor, just so I can get it when I need it. Here. Otherwise, if I keep the 1x, it's going to be used by all of the craft. No. Okay, whatever, it's good. Didn't mean to place it here, but it's good here. Now this one. Let's go up. And it should be ready to go. Only need maintenance. Go. What does it mean? No recipe. No. Oh, it's all in there. Does it stop inserting sugar when the bus is filled up? Yes, perfect. Okay, and now it's going to start producing it. Faster and faster. Then, I'm going to prepare the new way of getting this bacteria. Why are those not working? I don't like my reactor cycling. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. That's a big deal. 241. Plutonium 241. Okay. Space elevator already got in there. Then I need hydrogen. User electrolyzer. I'm going to use all of the toluene for hydrogen. I don't need the toluene. I hope at least. Then okay, neutronium. If I show more in the reactors, oh, that's nothing. 100k, go. American plasma. 1 million. Oh, I forgot to set it to 3. Go. Okay, that way it's going to give some usage to the, yeah, not working now. Now, I'm going to fix here the way I do the bacteria. The lazy way is not going to work. Okay, look, this one will be the one that gets me the thing. Oh, wait, it's double, triple, oh, true, it's triple energy. Well, it worked. This one will give me the thing working, as will make the bacterial totally useless. If it goes back that, okay, it didn't work. Every time I process things here, there is an odd. It's going to work. What I just did was useless. All right, so instead of doing this awful recipe, super slow with the 2.5 odd, I'm going to move to this one, 75% odd, way faster. So 3 ingredients are those. This one, and this one. Copy, 1, 2, and those 2. Okay. Now I have to clean up. Wait, why? Oh, it doesn't. Why does it not copy paste? It doesn't wanna copy paste this filtering. Don't know why. Here, no, those two are different. And this one. Okay. Here I need way more cells inside this loop. And I also need the other fluid. So the fluid is this one. Here. Okay, it's not produced yet. Why am I not getting polymerize? This one should be stock keep. Okay, I don't have enough. I have to craft it slow. Alright, now I have to go quickly fix a couple of other things. Okay, polymerize, I can't make it that much at once. Also, can I use this one? Oh, this one is useful for something. Yeah, I think I'm going to change the liquid DNA. I can give a purpose to this one. This one can be made by any kind of bacteria. If I give a purpose to this one, like I'm using this one for liquid DNA, but I'm going to keep this one for the penicillin, and I will do the liquid DNA with the otherwise useless bacteria. Liquid DNA, yeah. So this one with the Barnard there. That way I give more of a purpose to that bacteria. Once I'm done with what I need it for, it still has a usage that way. Now, so can I make? Okay, I can make 10k. Maybe I did the restock. No, 10k. It's also crafting. Oh, 1k. Oh, okay. It's... Yeah, I think I can craft it faster anyways. Sugar is just slow. What? How did this one not go any? How much sugar? 64 every time. 63. Yeah, all of those bacteria are using too much sugar. Sugar. That's half of my honey. Everything is crafting. Okay, I can stop this one, I no longer need it. Sugar. Go. That should be fast, hopefully. Okay, that should get me sugar. Good. This one is now growing. As soon as it reaches 27 buckets, it's going to be the maximum. Okay, now it's at peak efficiency. So all of the leftovers soon will go inside this one. Okay. I have seen it moving there. It is now going into the production of more bacteria. Let's go over there. And there I have another one, and another one, and another one. Now I can turn on the whole setup. Over here. So. This one. Good. It's going to speed up really quickly. This one and this one. And soon the production is going to multiply by 3. This one keeps growing kind of exponentially, not exactly exponentially, but the closer it is to being half filled, the faster it goes. I don't recall the formula, what it looks like exactly. Nah, it should be enough. Thing is that I only have to fill up those tanks. Once all of the top tanks are filled up, it's going to stop. Sugar production is not an issue right now. The honey production is the issue. Yeah, witches too. Yeah, as I said, when I was doing glowstone, I was thinking that witches are a good idea because if you do glowstone from witches, you also get sugar. But theoretically, I shouldn't be needing much sugar. Like once I fill up all of those tanks, like once I'm done with that bacteria, I shouldn't really need that much sugar anyways anymore. So now I'm looping this one. Yeah, it's going to keep looping until it gets the correct data orb. Also, I can use a single. I only need one data orb. Oh, they also drop redstone. Yeah, you know what? Probably. I'm doing netherrack with a rock breaker from glowstone, and I'm making glowstone from those. Crafting cars are broken. Crafting cars don't work anymore. Alright, now I decided. Oh, maybe it's just to draw. I'm making glowstone that way. That looks like the best deal to get glowstone at the moment. Witches? Oh, I really do have a witch. This one is more of a clock than the others. It's a really 2 amps LUV, so I will need wall sharing those is a really bad idea because if I wanted to upgrade this one, I need a better glass. To upgrade the glass of this one, I have to upgrade the glass of everything else because it's wall share. What? This one are the issues. How does this one not get enough power? Is that an infernal spawn? This one is can spawn infernal. Does not no. Why does it lose power? Okay, there is no energy inside the hatchet. Is this one mis-rotated? No? This one has no energy. What's wrong with... Those are getting energy. What's wrong with this one? Oh, this one is rotated. I must have mixed click. I was super afraid of something blowing up here when rotating this one. I'm still afraid maybe something blows up. No, it's working. Don't know when, like, I did touch things here a few days ago. Didn't remember doing that. Anyways, I can't really upgrade witches, but the main idea was to have here low power ECs and here more powerful ones in the future. Maybe it's time to get a better witch spawner. Those do really many interesting things. Also gunpowder. Can you extract... is that a source of cool things? That could be an interesting thing too. Don't know what else I could be wanting from this. Okay. Yeah, but I don't need sulfur. Which spawner is really interesting? Right now, sugar is not really a big issue. So I'm not doing anything, but I'm keeping an eye on it. I'm keeping an eye on. Going back to this one here. It's screwed up. Okay, I have to keep a data orb here, otherwise it messes up. Okay, with all of those, I should have good odds of getting the correct... okay, I need more to keep. Okay, that should keep... always keep one here. Okay, this one is now the bottleneck. This thing has become the bottleneck somehow. And those are not even working. Like, I should be able to get this one quite quickly now. Like, the odds are 7% odds. I should get it with all of those. I already processed a lot. I keep getting this stuff. Come on. Get me the thing. Get me the thing. Oh wait, it's not coming back. Okay, this one is what I needed. Perfect. So now I can shut off all of those. Oh, okay, this one too, and this one. Okay, now that I have this one. That was UHB pass here. So, okay, that one is the next step. Wait, I think I have to spam. Okay, this is something I'm going to have to spam. This one is LUV 25 seconds. This one is LUV 25 seconds, but this one is 7% odds, so this is what I will be spamming. This one is... yeah, I need 10 times more of those. I need this one like 10 times more than this one. Now... okay, all of this stuff is useless. I only need one of those, one of the other kind, and then all of the other 6 can do the plasmid. So I'm going to multiply this one. I need a total of 7 copies. Must be super careful not to waste this. Where does it go? How do you... scanner, okay. Where do you put the... this one is the one super important. I think here I need, yeah, no. Let's try with osmium. Okay, I'm okay with using this one. So if I put osmium here, osmium, okay, that is how you copy. This one goes here and it's 7. Perfect. Okay. All right, 8 copies. Yeah, I needed less. Okay, better more than less. No. Inside here, let's see. Okay, those can stop working. Okay. Let's clean up everything. Okay. This is all stuff I may need in the future. I only need this much. Those are useless. Okay. Now, all of those will do this recipe. This one. Yeah, this stuff. This one, and I also need 6 of those. So, 6 of those. Is that all I need? 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. There. Now, this one and this one will be crafting the final bacteria. All of the others will be doing that thing. Oh, I also need the beta, this one. I'm going to need more copies of this one too. Okay, let's see. Here. So, beta thing here. I'm going to do a bunch of those copies too. Why don't they stack? They do stack outside of it. And empty things inventory. Now, over here. Okay, all of those. 2 holes, then Barnard, beta. Those 2, Barnard and then beta. Barnard and then beta. Barnard and beta. Barnard, beta. Barnard, beta. Barnard, beta. Barnard and beta. Hopefully I didn't screw it up. Okay, those 2 are out of the way. Then I'm going to need this one and this one. And here and here. Those are no longer required. If I can keep one of those stocked up, it's going to mess up the order. Those 2. Those 2. Those 2. Finally, fluid, or also this one. No, this one will be the other thing. Fluid, liquid DNA, liquid DNA. It's faster to copy, paste. Okay, now turn on. Okay, yeah, of course. This one. Distilled water, liquid DNA. Then, there you go. Okay, this stuff can go back in there. Now, wait, liquid DNA is correct. This one. Okay. I forgot to insert the modules. Oh, this one is that one. This one is that one. Okay, done. I need those two things. Now, tank. Where is the tank? Here. Done. Cell. Why do I have those? I'm going to empty those useless cells. I want to keep those. Okay. Then here I will need the new fluid. This may not be level maintained. Filter. And one insert green. Extract always active. Extract. Okay, and fluid insert. Don't extract any fluid. Okay, enzyme solution. Enzyme solution. Do I have it already? Yeah. Oh, there. Why does it say it's stocked when it's not? Go. Okay. We'll move this one from here to. This is more like the correct place. 100k. 10,000 at a time. Go. You'll be able to start more. Hopefully. Come on. Start making more. Maybe someday it will do more. You'll be able to start. It doesn't want to start. Okay, all of that is going inside here. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That should be the correct count. Then, finally, I need the plasmid. Crafting cards are kind of glitched. Maybe it works. Okay, this one is starting to produce something. That's something. Okay, it should be this one. It extracts into the brown thing. This one will be inserting. Let's see. Okay, this one. Oh, it's optional. So this one is the final objective. Transformation module. Then the fluid is distilled water. Yep. And it's going to be this one. I already got it from that one. Those was complete. And finally those cells of penicillin, which apparently is not a thing. So penicillin, tank, here, This tank can go in here now. So storage. Where's the storage? Oh, filter. So this one is green. This one is usual. Insert green extra. Insert the penicillin. Okay, good. Now I should make everything work out. Odds are 7%, but I want like 100 of those. So it's going to the. Whoa, that was lucky. Okay, it was super quick and I had a bunch of things built up. That was quite lucky. I'm going to start producing this stuff. Yeah, this one is super expensive to run. This one is super expensive to run. Let's see. This one, this one, this one. It's out of penicillin. Okay, this one is supposed to be here. This one is supposed to be here. This one? Why is this one not getting anything? Forgot the filter. Enzyme solution here. This one is supposed to be here. This one too. Plasmid and enzyme cell. Here. Okay. Okay, it should be working just fine. Now, that quest keeps going. Yeah, that is for redox polymer. And no, I have to get those to run before I can get the optical SMDs. Now I could prepare the thing here. That is going to eat a lot of energy. So this one. I think I will do a small setup here, and in the future I will do the long setup. Now, or maybe I just do the definitive setup. Now I think those are only used like that, so I'll do the definitive setup. So basically I'm going to try to copy that. I left 3 blocks of space. Yeah. So 2 and 3. That is 3 blocks of space. Main cable can stay that way. Okay, I'm going to keep it flipped like that. Yeah, it should be good. Alright, I'm going to miss many things. Slowly, let's see everything that is missing. I will have to get a better glass. I will need a lot of upgrades compared to the copy paste, but slowly I will see everything again. Okay. Stainless steel, make 1000. Those are super used. Okay, doing a lot of progress with the compact. I mean, it's progress. Even molten neutronium. Well, there. 72. Okay, I should be able to just complete. Then here, what is it missing? Okay, this one I will do something later. This one is... What's the thing missing on this cable? Okay, arc drawer 2x2. This one. Let's start. Right. One. Come on. Okay, that way it's easier. Why is it taking so much? Okay. Here, and well, you can place it itself. Super tank. Make 10. Go. That may be an issue. Yeah, that's going to be an issue. It's going to wait for the other pumps. Then, well, I can use a better tank. Here it's missing an input hatch. Maybe I'm going to use a different tier of input hatches. 2 tanks, I can use a different tier. What else? More or less it has everything. Alright. Control C, Control D, okay. Now, let's see. Those two are going to be the start. It's really sad because I did place those covers. UV may be too much for this thing, but it's okay. Okay, I'm going to get this set. This one is going to use quadra rods too. So, everything's okay here now. Wait, I forgot the upgrade. 2, 3, 4. Okay, UHV just. Oh, wait, I need even more power. I need all of that. Here, here. That one requires UED. So here and here. This stuff will be completed another time. Here. And this one. Okay, ZPM, UV. And here, UHV. Oh, I did have the UHV. UHV for now 2 amps. Okay, didn't crash. Here. ZPM, UV, UHV. This one, set mode cables, set cable. Don't think I have enough cables. Yeah. Right. In the future, I will do other cable. Here and here. For now, that's what I can do. Okay, that's getting it enough power theoretically. Then those ones, okay, first I want to set here UV output hatch. This one, so 50% minus 49. Okay, now tank. Like I can even just go with that. I would like to use those tanks, but we'll get a better tank someday. But I will be changing the hatch probably, so change that. Pump. Or maybe a regulator. Cover, control cover. Yeah. If instead I wanted a regulator, okay, should be quick. Come on, come on, come on. Get me a regulator. Okay. This one is going to be conditional import. Production here is super slow, so this one is already a lot. Oh no, wait, it's going to produce a lot. It's going to make 20,000 at once it reaches speed. It will take a lot to reach full speed, but with this hatch, it's impossible to get it at optimal speed. Because this one is going to produce more than the hatch can keep, so I'm going to have to upgrade this multiple times. Red alloy. It's just that this one uses some really expensive things, so... Okay, enable with the redstone. For now, that's going to work. But this tank needs an upgrade too. Okay, that side should be good. Next. Here I have to set up this thing properly. Yeah. Which glass? UV glass, okay. Also maintenance. This one. Glass. This one will do. Does it get to the middle? I think not. Oh, I have to. Okay. Okay, it does keep working even if I change tool in my. Okay, I think I did all of it. Oh, maintenance. Good. So now I have to set up the thing. This one requires... Wait. What do you even use that for? T-seti for Speratus. I think it just loops back. Oh wait, you can copy paste cultures like that? Oh, so there is this way too of making bacteria. Okay, when I will be having trouble making those, I will probably go with this recipe. This one looks so much better. But 7%, then 7%. Oh, it's only 2 times 7%. Okay, I'm going to stock. I need a lot of those before I can try to get the DNA and then the data orb. Probably it's like... Oh, wait. It's 0.075 times mouse player. Yeah, I'm going to need like 200s before I can try to go that way. So it may not even be worth it. Yeah, if I needed that many, it may not be worth it. No, here. Anyway, this one in a better requires those 3 ingredients, and this one is the output. Now, The two fluid are those two. Then output, solid. Two solids. Why do I have so many solids? What was this one? All right, let's see. Oh, okay, that was it. The rod. That's why I have one. This one uses the quadria. 140 sieverts is not quadria. Sieverts for the back. 100. Oh, I reached Nakoda. Good. I reached Nakoda. Okay, good. This one. Oh, it already got the wrong setup. Okay. Reached Nakoda. This one doesn't need any change. I mean, I can just do that. And reach Nakoda. So this one is already good. Done. It's not Agar, but osmium. Name is redstone when levels are below 1000. This one is going to be this thing. Good. Those are rich fluids. Why is it at 0? It doesn't copy paste those settings. So the target is going to be xenoxene. So turn on when levels are above. So that is my target. I'm not even sure on how many zeros I put down. I didn't set. Oh, how annoying. You have to press set. Okay. This one is going to keep this one and this one. Osmium here. Okay, and then antimony. That is something I have to make. LCR2. Yeah. LCR2. Here. I will have to set a restock for this thing later. Yeah. Okay. Let's get wireless. This one hooked up. Yeah. This one will have many things connected. Yeah. How many channels? Okay, 20. It's going to go to 24. Still good. All right. Now, everything. Turn on likes are issues. Yeah, there are many things I didn't set up, but now we can see those. So when there is a lag turn on, it means there is some issue which is preventing it from working. But first, allow without signal. Okay, that's correct. This one, 701, goes here, 701. Okay. This one is the wrong fluid. Yeah, oil. Yeah, that's what you meant. I totally forgot the oil. So this one here, clean up here. Now let's see again. This one is the objective. Yeah. Once I reach that amount, it will stop processing. The only thing that is not an issue is this one and the rods. This one is osmium. Don't I have 1000 osmium? I have 3000. I have to set aside the filters. So this one is what it can take from the main network, which is going to be those three. This one is main HU can take out the xenoxene here. This one is what it can take from main HU, which is oil. Alright, there is only one like on, which is this one incorrectly set. So when I have them are above or equal to the limit. So I want to have always at least 100k oil. Do I have oil in my network? Okay, I'm going to process this. Turns on are above or equal. Oh no, it must turn on when it's below. This one is the only one which must be when above or equal. It didn't turn on still. Wait, it's wasting radioactive. Yeah, I don't have oil. I'm going to process this oil, but ideally I will be pumping oil with the space elevator and not too much. I don't even need the xenoxene right away. It's just that getting this fluid up to speed really takes a lot of time, so I'm preparing it ahead. This one in a fluid extractor. Here, because I'm not going to process it so much. This one will get me times 100. Okay, that's going to be 10 million, so it should be good enough for now. And the stocking input bus isn't set. Oh, true. Here. Oh, this one anti-manipulator oxide. I'm going to keep 10k, maybe 1000. Okay. Now, maybe I should also stock keep osmium dust. Let's see. So theoretically, I'm getting the oil now. So let's see what's going on. Okay, not enough oil for it to turn on, but oil. Yeah, I need them. Oh, true. You are right. That's heavy oil. That's not wrong. Can you not get this out of? Is there anything that gives normal oil? Like even oil sands give you heavy oil. Even those give off heavy oil. Is there any way to turn heavy oil into normal oil? I don't think so. Don't wanna go set up a pump for normal oil. This one is space pumping. Yeah, that's my objective. Wood pulp. Kerogen. Yeah, no. Okay, redox will give you back the oil. Soul sand, that sounds like a waste of soul sand. Oil berries, too annoying. Oily propolis. This one gives you normal oil. Oh, okay, this one. Where did I get those? Oh, DOB Cobe gives you. Those are from the DOB, okay. But so there is oily Cobe and oil. Oh. Okay, this one is the one which does it. I'm going to temporarily get that big. Now I have to get the correct one because there are two bees that do oil. Let's see. This is one. Okay, one of those two is the correct one. This one. Okay, refined gives 10%. Okay, refined B is even better. This one gives extra honey. I'm looking at what is the. Yeah, I don't need the fuel. This one gives 1% on. This one gives 50% on. Guess I'm going to get some free fuel. Those make way more honey. Now, since I also need honey, I'm going to go with those. So, this one with okay, let's first multiply the species. I don't have queens ready for that. Whichever of those survives is good. So here, I'm going to try to get all of those. Why does it never fail when I don't care, and it fails when I care? Okay. One of those now can go into there. Those are all half species, a half species. No, it's pure modest. Half species. This one is pure oily. Good. I'm going to try to get this one at least to half oil species. And then I will, okay, now it's half oil. With those two, there are good odds of getting the oil B. Okay, all of those are half species most likely. Okay, let's see. These are still half species. Those are pure species. The other two I don't even care. Okay. Come on, get pure species. Banana, okay, yeah, I think now it's pure species. Maybe not. Okay, let's see what I got. Pure species, pure species. I don't even wanna care. Okay, now I got an oily queen. I'm going to drop those in there, and this one can stay in there until I get the space pump. I'm going to use it. Yep. Now, also can use those. Those are normal oil. Oh wait, the other bee. Oh, the other bee was producing it too. Am I still in time to go back to the other bee? Okay, those are what is being produced. Now I have to centrifuge it and then extract it. How much does this one give? No, I think the other has a slightly higher yield, but they are really close to the other. Okay, so this one here, this one is stuck doing all of that stuff. Okay, I want this stuff to be processed, and then this one later. Now it's cleaning up all of the back. Oh no. Okay, those cobes are the worst thing. Come on. Okay. Look at how quick. Oh, that is my honey. I do have a lot of honey for sugar. Okay, should be cleaning up. Look at all of that osmotic. Kevlar, okay, Xeon. Okay, nice. Yeah, the unknown liquid really takes too much time. It takes 2000 seconds at that PM, the unknown fluid thing to process. Okay, this one, I want to insert this one last because first I want to this stuff. Those are going to process really slow. Okay, those are not even producing. This one can be removed. Okay, instantly done everything. And now I can slowly do that. So now, do I have normal oil? Okay, that is my oil, which probably is already going inside the other thing. Okay, and slowly processing oil there. Only full tab. Yeah, okay, all of the oil I made is already in there. It will take a little bit to get enough to reach the threshold. Okay, the threshold, yeah, it will take one, 100k. The hatch has way more capacity. Okay, so slowly it should manage, but it's going to take time. I'm rethinking because this one is produced like 5% odds, then 60%, so it's like 3% odds of getting this one, and then it makes half bucket. This one is produced almost always 75. Oh no. Then I get 6 of those, which is 6. Huh? Yeah, I think the other B made more. I'm going to get the other B too. Okay, so right here, the oil B. Okay, this one is the other kind of oil B. Let's multiply it to go. And I forgot to fix the jeans. Alright, let's see what I got. This one is kind of messed up. Can I? Yes, it survived. This one is half species. This one is pure species. Half species. Half species. Half species. Half species. Alright. Those two together have really good odds. Getting the half species out. Those two are both modified to get high production and high drone. Okay, the queen is now pure species. Those are half. This one is half. Okay, there is my new perfect species. I'm going to stock up a couple of drones for the next time. Here. One last loop. And now I'm going to get the queen. Okay. Here. Come on. There's the queen. Alright, now we got a new kind of oil cob, which I'm going to process inside centrifuge. Done. This one goes here. And it will produce those things, which should really go in there. Yeah. This one, I really have a huge backlog. Oil drop, I wanna keep those. Wait, what? Oh, this oil drop is not processed in there. Okay, here is this one. So I should have got some for this one. Oh, I think it doesn't have an output bus. I forgot to add the. Oh, that's free resin. I can turn those into resin. Resin is cool for methane and plant balls. Anyways, output bus. Okay, with this one I can process the heavy oil from this thing. Oh, look at all of that oil. Okay, get me that oil. There, 100,000 oil. Now you can also process this one. That is like many weeks of no, a couple of weeks of backlog, and it almost processed. Zero, okay. Now this one should be what I needed. So I should be going in there. Okay, this one is filled up. Okay, here everything shut it off. So why do I have so much? Oh, I forgot to lock this drawer. There. Okay, so why is it not working? Okay, fuel. Oh, I forgot here. So this one is this one. Well, I could use the auto pull at that point, but okay, and now it's finally working. I must be careful because this hatch, even with the cover, this hatch cannot grant the full capacity because at full efficiency, those are going to make 20,000 at a time, but this one can only keep 8. And to get full efficiency, I have to keep this one at 4K. So I'm always going to waste like 3/4. Did you recommend someone to play? I think you can start with GTNH, but if you want to start GTNH, you need a lot of free time. Like, I'm not the correct person to ask that question. Really depends on you, what you like. GTNH is really good to get started. GTNH is a really good modpack. The quest book explains everything, and GTNH Discord is super helpful. Like, GTNH is really a safe place to start, but it's a super slow. But also, this modpack being slow is good because it forces you into learning it. Like, you should never find yourself waiting. If you are waiting for something, try to make it go faster. Try to do some other quests in the meantime, like that kind of stuff. Yeah. Oh, I'm almost done for the compact, but I will do that tomorrow. This one is taking too much. Component UV. Oh. Why am I not getting any neutronium? Where is all of my neutronium going? I don't see why you would like to add even more things to GTNH. Normal GTNH already have enough things. Yeah, if you get into GTNH, don't expect to complete it. I don't know how many times I started over again in GTNH. Many. But years ago it used to be different. Now GTNH is way more documented too. Neutronium, okay, those two. I only have this set working on neutronium. Okay, slowly now I started working on this stuff. Wonder why it was not working. Just for safety, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to clean up all of the CPUs. I did so many things that probably I messed it up, more or less. So I'm going to clean up everything here. This one. Okay. Now. Okay, helium plasma is almost restocked. I must be more careful on burning helium plasma, but yeah, until I complete the compact, I will have issues with everything. But I'm super close to the compact. Now, this stuff is generating power. Yeah, this one won't start up because... Oh, I managed to restock 1 million emission plasma. Okay, let me recheck. Yeah, GTNH, no, in my opinion, yeah, GTNH really got better with years. There were more issues years ago, but yeah, years ago it was worse. I remember the times I restarted. Oh. Yeah, I think about GTNH is that when you update, things could change. Like updating GTNH, like you have your base working, you update, new processing lines are introduced, your base stop working. So updating GTNH, once you get into like LUV higher tiers, updating GTNH can cause a little bit of trouble sometimes. But it all depends on too many things. Yeah, true. A2 fluid crafting was a game changer, but it was even worse years earlier. Mm. Yeah, I don't see why people really care about being able to complete the mod pack. Like, how to say it? I'd rather play something that is known for being so long that the chance of completing it are really dim than playing something that I can complete for sure. And once I complete it, I have to move on. But that's also because I like seeing my base grow. I don't like other packs when I have to build things that we after 2 hours will become useless. I don't like when I play other packs. I make a machine, I use it for 1 hour and then it's useless. This EBF I did here, it's going to last at least 1 month, and I mean I will play many hours each day. That's why I love GTNH so much too. Okay. Okay. I don't mean like updating from 207. Experimental builds have other kind of issues. That's not what I meant. I don't know. No. Naporite and netherite probably are the main issues, I think. Updating now. Okay, yeah, also matter manipulator is great. Alright, okay, this one is slowly crafted. Do I have leftover neutron? I wanna get this one done, if possible today. I'm going to recycle this stuff just to get this stuff done. And I wanna scan this one and then clean up my assembly lines. Okay, did this one do it? Good. Okay. Yeah, what do you 2.4? Was Garden of Grind even a thing in 2.4? 2.4 is like, which year was it? 2.4? 3 years ago maybe? Or two? I don't know. It was like season 1, I believe. Okay, this one is getting crafted super quickly. Here still waiting for the component. Yeah, I'm going to get the component UHV. Now, UHV component, I cannot really make component. Okay, this one here. This one over there. I have to leave this one now. Okay, this one is the only one I will keep. Then I can remove the others. But first, data stick here. Then component there. Let's remove all of those. Okay, EV and IV out, and only those two are left. Perfect. Those two were I don't know. Is IV? No, those two were assemblers. Did I really remove the LUV one? Okay, there is the UV. Now, okay, this one here, this one here. Okay, that is fast. And now component. Let's see. All of the things I can remove. This one. This one. Wait, no. Now this one has to stay here. Okay, I should do it. So I really removed the other tiers. Yeah. ZPM UV. No, I'm missing the LUV one. Component LUV. Oh, UV. I messed it up. Okay. LUV, ZPM, UV. LUV, ZPM, UV. Perfect. Now I'm going to need 43 of those. Let's see the jump scare. And go. Alright. This one is a pattern. This one is a pattern. This one I need to macerate it. Aquadine will build up palladium. I think I posted the palladium. I'm going to check it. Samarium. Quadra, americium. Okay, it's not even too bad. But the rocking is a big deal. I think I will stop doing the rocking in December. I will soon think about it. Okay, this one I will do it from the ingot here, maceration step here. Then this one vacuum freezer here. This one is this one. Okay, this one needs the power of the mega. Now I'm doing everything 8. I would multiply everything 8. EBF. This one, like, it doesn't require the mega EBF. Oh wait, that is not 5 millions. That is 5 billions. So high power, high value gas. This one, vacuum freezer here. Probably need this one too. Yeah. Mixer LB. Alright. Requires UEV to melt, but the mixer is MB. No, wait, 6. Yeah. Okay. Then this one is just the heap compressor. Hot. Oh. How is it called? Eyes. Am I out of pattern space? Yes, I am. Also, this one can get a crap input. Okay. I would like to have first the easy stuff, but I don't know. Easy. Yeah. Okay, this one is still working. Good. Then palladium. I think I shut off the palladium. That's the point. Because it was clogging everything. It is doing palladium salt. So I think I'm voiding palladium salt or something. I did something because palladium is always overproduced. So palladium salt, palladium no. Some of those is getting voided. Palladium salt is getting voided, but not a big deal. This one. Okay, that one is what. No, it's not. This one. No. Okay, this one is the one which does the palladium thing. This one. This one needs circuit 9. Circuit 9, which is, what's it? Oh, here. Okay, so it is set it up. It only starts when I have enough ammonia, which I can't stock up. That is where all of my hydrogen and all of my nitrogen are going, by the way. I can pump ammonia directly in the future. For now, I think for now I'm going to get it from the main A2. Okay, now maybe, don't I have? What? Not the smartest idea. All right, change of plan again. Don't empty my main network. This one will get more energy. This one has 3. So this one is currently 10 PM. It has perfecto. Let's see. I think I'll go with the UHP. Oh, I'm stocking up cables. Cool. Yeah. ZPM UHP. Now UHV cable must be this one. Is it? Yeah, this one is UHV. I hope I have enough amps. There. Go. Okay, output bus maybe small. This one will need a stocking. It really can't work like that. 1, 2, and output. No, what a giant. Here's ammonia. Okay, giant output here. I would like a better tank. This one. Here. And finally, I need only the stocking input bus. Okay, it's crafting. Here. Alright, those two gases. And look at my hydrogen disappear. Yeah, that is where all of my hydrogen is gone. There. All of my hydrogen gone again. There. All of my hydrogen. And it instantly got used by something else. This one. Oh no, this time a little bit managed to stay. I'm processing too many. I don't have the fluids to process all of that stuff. It's eating too much stuff. I need the space elevator, yeah. Okay, this one I'm going to remove it. Like that. I'm going to do disable version safe mode. Okay. Alright, that's going to get me some palladium. I think I'm voiding some hydrogen through that stuff too. Because I'm voiding this one. Yeah, I do need more head. I'm avoiding this one. The thing is that this one keeps multiplying, and it just gives me back useless stuff. Okay. Palladium. This one should start to go up soon. Really depends on how your base works. Like, I don't want to tell you yes. No, I'm not. I don't want to tell you that the better superconductors are not worth using with coils. It really depends on your tier and your resource generation and many more things. And the new patch, only the LUV recipe requires mica insulator. Better recipes require the aquarite, so I'm skipping those even more. But usually I skip from the LUV superconductor to the UHV one once I get the UHV component. Yeah, exactly. I think it becomes better way later, but not even too much better. Way later. At the beginning, oh. Yeah, on Chudotate mostly. I already used what is it? I used to stick with the recipe up until UV in the previous patches. Now that you need this one, I'm sticking with this even more. So usually I will jump to this one once I get the UHV component assembly line, but even then, sometimes I go back to the other recipe. Right now, I may as well just keep this one. I don't know. Like, this one is really nice. It only needs 2 superconductors. Don't know. It really depends on you. I'm sticking with the LUV one, but I'm super undecided. Okay, this one is not something I'm going to process. It is byproduct of other things. Palladium, okay, 16. Is there a better way of getting it? I think there is a thing here. Yeah, this one skips the platline completely. That is really good. Okay, it is being produced. Thing is that I was totally out, so now it's slowly building up. Here it's doing great progress. Good. What else? Compact. I have the compact fusion reactor. That is also a quest. That's a quest. Yeah. I don't know why it's called compact. I mean, yeah, it's more okay. It is compact compared to 64 or even more of those. Like, it's going to be more compact than a tower of 64 of those. Okay, that's for sure. There used to be another version, I think. I don't recall. I need those coins. I will do that tomorrow. Then something else. I needed to craft. Oh yeah, this one. I will need 43 of those. Bedrockium is something I have to investigate. Europium is looping. Not good. So I'm making the ingot from the dust and the dust from the ingot. So okay, this one I'm going to stop making Europium like that. I will be making a Europium as fluid. I will also dig some dust if I'm lucky, but that's secondary. Main production of Europium now will be fun, since I need it more as dust. This one, MK2. So I'm using this one to get better rockium in the assembler. There is this recipe, which is really low energy. This one is the other option, which is really high energy intensive. If I jump to this recipe, I will get 9 times worth the bedrockium count, but yeah, I will keep saying when I get the space elevator it will be better, but by the time I get Oh, it's only MK2. Hmm. Hmm. So that's an option. Component 43. Okay, this one is something I have to get. Those two are passively produced. It's a lot of quadria here. Palladium will take time. Will take time. Yeah, this one is really rather expensive. I think I will get MK2 space mining before the component UHP. I just too much. Motor Mark II. Space elevator. Does this one require UHV? Oh, I will use less components here. Don't know. There is no meteor for bedrockium. It's probably worth it to get this one before the component. I don't know if I want to get this one before the component. Like, it is a lot of motors. This one can get me all of the cool things. Bedrockium. How much bedrockium you need? And how did I get the bedrockium dust earlier on? How did I get this 35k if it is not a meteor? Also this one. Yeah, it's mostly stuff which I only have to wait. I think, okay, most of that is to make neutronium, which is not ideal. So, multi-numeration. No quadria. Okay, I have so much Naquadria that I think I'm sticking with it, but I don't know. Making neutronium from Naquadria is really expensive. Naquadria wise, I mean. But making neutronium from the dust is super expensive energy wise. I don't know which one is better, which one is worse. This one is UHP. It's circuit egg fluid UHV. Do I have those? Okay, 8, but it doesn't manage fluids. Those are also only UV. Probably I will get the Mega before I do that. Mega alloy glass. Okay, then. Okay, more or less. I think for today I will. Oh, I forgot the bacterial bath. Okay, it's not working. Luckily. Oh, I did make a bunch. Why is it not importing? Oh, I forgot the cell. Storage cell. There's one. No, I don't need the multi. Oh, that is super important. If I don't have this one here, everything is messed up. Also, why is it not working? Oh, it doesn't even start because it doesn't have output hatch. So next little jump will be to HV. So from here, and this one here, and this one will be 49%. Stop messing me up. Okay, why? Okay, whatever. Okay, and now it does 8k at once. Good. This one will stop at this much. Good. Next time I will get a bigger hatch, which should theoretically be there forever. Now, storage. They don't even to wait a long time. What if I just use... Okay, this one should still be okay. Here I used 64K, so that one should work out too. Okay. What is the nerf exactly? Alright, and this one will reach higher efficiency eventually. Okay, next. Component UHV. Yeah, I will get the Mega Blast Smelter too, before getting into this stuff. Those I have to do those by solidifying. Is this one looping that it does like that? Carbon monoxide. No, it can't be looping. This one here. Here. Ingot solidifier here. Okay. 53. No quadra. Yeah, I don't know neutronium how to manage it because doing neutronium from Naquadria is really a huge amount of Naquadria required. Naquadria takes energy too. Neutronium. This one, doing it as ingot is 1 billion EU. Doing it as fluid is... Heck, I may just go with this. Maybe we can just do that instead. Yeah, instead of EBF, that one is 9 billions to get 4 ingots. This one is 1 billion per ingot. 9 billions. EBF seems more worth it. Well, asbestos is almost useless. Can't wait for DTPF. But once I get DTPF, I won't have time to get neutronium from it. Neutronium from fusion is 1 ingot of Naquadria to 1 of neutronium. Oh, also it uses americium. Like Naquadria is that a higher yield? It's not. I don't think so. 11 to 1. Yeah, 11 to 1 it will be. This one, is it this one? Maybe. So, okay, overall it's probably way better to get it. I just have to speed up way more in water production if I want to make this stuff like that. Component assembly 43. I will have to get the Mega ABS. Samarium is an issue. This one should be working. Samarium. Oh, I don't have a Samarium. I was getting. Oh no, I'm going to get the MP2. MP2 is something I really want to get. I'm going to throw a circuit assembler now, but I will get the MK2 drilling before the component. This one. Let's get room for the other meteorite. Right. Yeah, component. Tomorrow we will do the component right after the mega ABS. 7 p.m. Wait, is that it? Oh no, circuit assembler. Yeah. Is that a huge meteorite which can... Whatever, it's going to dig one. Also, is this one still... No, okay, this one is not overflowing, good. So, mega blast smelter, not now. Not now, the mega blast smelter, not time. This one compose, this one... Yeah, okay, this one should be ready by tomorrow. Tomorrow I will do the mega thing. Alright, yeah, I think I'm going to quit here for today. But first... Yeah, okay, more or less, I think everything is ready. Okay, I'm going to quit here for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.